Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CapCut scrolling text effect tutorial. If you want to add eye-catching scrolling text to your CapCut videos, whether you are creating lyrics, new sticker style edits, or aesthetic reels, this tutorial breaks it all down. So what you need to do is just open your CapCut and start a project. And here you need to add your text first. You can click on text at the top and then tap on the plus icon on the default text in here. Then you can write the text in here directly, or you can also copy the text. So in here I actually already copy the text from song lyrics, so I'm going to just paste it in here. As you guys can see, it's really long, and here I'm going to adjust the font first. Okay, so to have that scrolling text effects, first you need to move the text all the way down like this. Okay, and then here I'm going to add a keyframes under the position in here. So under the basic, you can scroll down until you find the positions, or you can just add keyframe on a transform in here, and then move the text up. Sorry. So move the playhead first and move the text up. So you can move it little by little like this, and move the playhead again and move it up, or you can also do it like this. Let's remove this. Okay, you can just go to the end of the text, say here, and move the text all the way up. Like this, for example. So after that, here when you preview the result, you'll have this scrolling text effects. If you want to make it slow, you can adjust the position of the keyframes. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.